today's video I'm going to show you how to cook dosa. So dosa is a South Indian snack and it's made from rice and lentil batter. You're going to need 320ml of water and a mixing bowl. Open up your packet. So this makes 8 dosas. Add it to your mixing bowl. Add in your 320ml of water and whisk into a smooth batter. I'm going to add it back to my jug. Lightly grease a hot, flat, non-stick pan. Whilst that's heating, you want to spread the oil evenly around the pan. So once the oil gets hot, you want to pour 75ml in the middle of the pan. Spread it around with the bottom of a spoon. Sprinkle over a few drops of oil whilst it's cooking. Once it starts to go golden brown on the bottom, you can flip it like a pancake. Don't expect it to be perfect first time. Rice flour is very different to normal flour. It's quite grainy, as you'd imagine, because it's the rice grains all blended.
Yeah, bin it, baby. So we tried making dosas and basically completely failed. That's what we got, really. I mean, it probably still tastes good, but who knows? We'll have a little go on it in a bit. And what we're trying to do is, because when we done the big mixture, it didn't work out. So I'm trying to make really small dosas instead. And it looks alright, actually. Making little ones definitely looks like a better idea. Even like making little ones, though, to be honest, it's quite difficult.
Just gets really stuck to the pan.
Yeah, I mean, rice is very sticky, isn't it? So it's not like when you make normal pancakes, is it at all?
No.
It looks really crispy. Quite excited to try it, actually.
I think your dosa's done now.
Yeah, you think that little one's done?
Yeah. Look at that.
Wow, it looks amazing.
Well done.
Little miniature dosa.
Yeah.
Look at your one. So here I've got a little bit of mango pickle.
The reason why you put oil on top is because it goes through to be underneath.
Yeah? Did it work then, or?
We'll see. Oh, it's getting really hot there. Safety precaution when you're using a tawa. Always use an oven glove on the handle because it's very, very, very hot. And it stays hot for a long time.
Here goes. Dosa with a little bit of mango pickle on it.
Right, and look at this.
That's delicious.
Look at that.
That's so good. Wow, you've done it. Well done. Oh my god, that's so good. It's like a hash brown, I'd say.
Oh my goodness, let me have some.
Yeah, have a little taste of that.
Before you scoff it off. The mango pickle is really good with it.
Yeah, mango pickle is really nice with it, definitely.
That's really good.
Wow, your dosa looks good.
Like you said, I'll get there in the end.
I wish we didn't waste so much batter though.
I know, we're gonna have to buy it again.
Yeah, although to be honest, this is like the failed batter, so maybe we could just push it down into it.
Yeah.
To recook it a bit longer.
It does split and crack really easily. Wow.
Really tasty.
I wasn't fond of the mango pickle before. I found it was a little bit too bitter, but I like it now.
Beautiful. You can see, can't you, why they eat like dosa for breakfast with mango pickle.
And apparently they use syrup with it sometimes as well.
Syrup. Wow.
Syrup or honey or something sweet.
So people, I just want to say, if you do want to buy this mix, I will put the link in the description, and I highly recommend, even though it says it makes 8, I would highly recommend just making miniature ones because
you can't fail with miniature ones.
Yeah, and it's really difficult, and at least if you make miniature ones, then you won't waste too much batter, and I think that's the important thing.
Well,
this was going to be a how to cook dosa video, but it turned into a bit of our fail and then actually figuring out how to do it ourselves.
Kind of.
Which is always good.
We can't cook the 20cm ones.
No. But you guys can learn from our mistakes, and hopefully you can make yourself some lovely dosas now.